Yeah.
In our final news item for the day, NZXT has apologized for the safety issue around their H1 case. The H1 will be removed from the NZXT store after Gamers Nexus proved that the nylon screw fix. So basically, they had a PCI Express riser in there that didn't have a big enough keep out zone around where it screwed in. So the screw could actually accidentally, if it like scratched the surface of the PCB, like the epoxy that's on there or resin or whatever it is, if it scratched it, it would actually contact the copper underneath, and that was a 12-volt portion of the PCB. So it would just short and could potentially start a fire. Now, they fixed it with a nylon screw instead of a metal screw, but Steve from Gamers Nexus made the, I think, compelling point that the nylon screw is only a fix as long as the user keeps that nylon screw forever. So if the original owner resold that case, for example, a new owner might not realize how important that is, or might look at the nylon screw and go, "Oh, that's a crappy nylon screw. I'm gonna get a better metal one," which could allow it to short, turning to heat, and then, well, potentially causing a fire. So anyone who previously requested a nylon screw kit will be sent the new fix, which is an updated riser assembly that should resolve the issue of exposed traces on the PCB once and for all. Steve from Gamers Nexus is still critical of how long it took NZXT to properly solve this problem, but it seems like this new solution should be the last one that is required.
I am happy that they actually resolved it. That's cool.
Yeah,
I'll
me
give them
too.
props.
Yep, me too. Because like for me, it's rough. Like it puts me in a bad position where like we've worked with NZXT, and the last thing we want is a bunch of like sponsor spots, not just moving forward, but even like past ones, promoting a company that is not taking care of its users. That's not something that we stand for. And so, you know, for us, we need well, it's just, yeah, it's that simple. We need our advertising partners to do the right thing in these cases.
Yeah. Yeah.